The Tesla Cybertruck is one of the most revolutionary vehicles in the modern automotive landscape. Designed by Tesla to break conventional design norms, it combines futuristic aesthetics with cutting-edge electric performance. At first glance, the Cybertruck doesn't resemble any other pickup truck on the market. Its sharp, angular stainless steel body and armored glass make it look more like a sci-fi vehicle than a road-ready production model. But underneath its bold exterior lies a powerful machine designed for real-world utility, performance, and sustainability. Starting with the exterior, the Cybertruck is crafted from ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel. This gives it a unique brushed metal finish that isn't painted but instead showcases the raw, durable material. The angular panels are not just for show, they're designed for maximum strength and resistance to dents, scratches, and even bullets in some demonstrations. The truck also features a sloped roofline, LED light bars on both front and rear, and a vault-like bed with a retractable tonneau cover. The bed, which Tesla calls the Vault, offers 100 cubic feet of storage, and the tailgate doubles as a ramp for loading heavy gear like ATVs or motorcycles. Performance-wise, the Cybertruck comes in several configurations: rear-wheel drive with a single motor, all-wheel drive with dual motors, and the top-tier tri-motor all-wheel drive version. The tri-motor model accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in under 2.9 seconds, faster than many sports cars, which is unprecedented for a full-size truck. It boasts a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds and a payload capacity of up to 3,500 pounds. Depending on the model, the estimated range is between 250 to over 500 miles on a single charge. The adaptive air suspension system allows the Cybertruck to raise or lower itself for better aerodynamics, off-road performance, or easier loading. It also includes off-road capabilities with high ground clearance and advanced traction control systems, making it a versatile vehicle for both urban driving and rugged terrain. Moving inside, the Cybertruck interior maintains Tesla's minimalist design ethos. The cabin seats 6 people with a front bench that can fold down to become a center console. The dashboard is clean and futuristic, dominated by a single 18.5-inch touchscreen that controls nearly every aspect of the vehicle, from climate and navigation to entertainment and driving settings. The yoke-style steering control adds to the futuristic vibe, though it may be a point of contention for some drivers used to traditional wheels. The materials used throughout the cabin feel durable and premium, with ample storage spaces, wireless charging pads, and customizable ambient lighting. The panoramic glass roof gives an open and airy feel to the cabin while maintaining strength and UV protection. When it comes to pricing, Tesla initially announced the base rear-wheel drive version starting at around $60,990, while the dual-motor version is expected to cost approximately $79,990. The top-of-the-line tri-motor variant could reach upwards of $99,990, depending on added features and upgrades. Tesla also offers full self-driving capability as an optional package, which adds another $12,000 to the total price. It's worth noting that while prices have shifted slightly since the original announcement, Tesla's frequent software updates and over-the-air improvements add long-term value to the purchase. In conclusion, the Tesla Cybertruck isn't just a new vehicle. It's a bold statement about the future of automotive design and performance. With its cutting-edge materials, unmatched performance metrics, and forward-thinking technology, the Cybertruck aims to redefine what a truck can be. Whether you're an off-road adventurer, a city commuter, or a tech enthusiast, the Cybertruck offers something truly unique that's hard to ignore.